Hi guys, hi, I'm Isa, and today we're going to learn how to use this thing called Git. So Git is used for version control. Yeah. Anyways, so to use Git, first I'm going to. Alright, first let me just open a new project or something. Alright, so let's open GitHub, which is a place where Git projects are. So after you create an account, you're gonna create a new repository. And let's just call it int, like this one's called. There are description, maybe add a readme file or something. Well, add all these. So now, oh yeah, you can also do license if you want to do that. So now we'll press the create repository thingy. So now we have this. So I'm gonna copy the link here into get the project onto the place. I'm going to use the git clone function. Oh yeah, I have to install Git before doing this. Duh. So I'm going to go into int. So you might not see anything besides readme.md, but if I write lsa, so I can list everything, you can see that there's actually a .git folder. Let's go into .git and see what's in there. The branches, config, description, head hooks, index, blah blah blah, that stuff. Oh yeah, also VS Code that has a built-in Git source control thingy, but we're not going to be using that. We're going to be learning how to use the command line Git. So let's say we create a new file called, I don't know, o.py, and add some cool stuff to it. Oh yeah, we're gonna put it in the int folder. So now, if you want to add a file into the Git repository, I have to write git add. So I want to add everything, so just gonna put a dot. Git add dot. So yeah. So now I could add a git commit, to commit changes I've made. So yeah, to commit the changes I've made. So M for the message, let's say do, I don't know, just do or something. So now it's going to show that. So now, so let's say I change this again. And if I want to update, I could just do another git commit. So yeah, I can add more stuff. Those are gets commits. Just add those. Alright, so now to push the commits, to make them to be visible or whatever, right, git push. And yeah, so now if we reload this thing on GitHub, we're gonna see that our changes are there. If we press this thing, we're gonna be able to see the latest commit, which is do. If we press this, we'll be able to see all the other commits. So yeah, that's that. The next thing we're going to learn about are branches. So let's say you have a piece of software, you want to start working on a cool new feature, but you don't want that feature to affect the main, the main project. You can do so by creating a new branch. We do this by writing git checkout. Let's call it new. Alright, so let's write git checkout B. I'm gonna call this branch new. It's switched to a new branch called new. So let me make a couple changes. Let me just add some stuff here. Add some stuff here. Add some stuff here. So now git commit I'm just gonna put this Yeah, also have to add. I have to add obviously. Okay, that includes this commits. So now these gets pushed. Yeah, anyways. Since I have to use this command, so I could push the branch. Alright, so now here says two branches. They have two branches, main and new. So yeah. Yeah, new had recent pushes 13 seconds ago compared to pull request. We're gonna learn what these are. Alright, so first let's go back to the main branch. First to get checkouts. What's it called again? Origin. Okay, no. It's not the origin. Also, Git is integrated right into VS Code, so it's gonna be easy to use Git here. If you're using another editor, then you might have to install some fancy extensions or something. So let's add some weird stuff to the original branch. So now we'll go back to the new branch. Oh yeah, after I git commit so add all files. So now we get checkout new. We do get checkout origin. Okay, so I don't know, let me just add what stuff. Git commit a. Let's go show this. After enters the commits message from my thing. No, let's just enter it. Alright, now I've entered the thing. So now gets push. Get push. Origin. Alright, now we've run that. So anyways, now to finally learn what a pull request is. So a pull request, anyway, first I have to worry about the git diff command. So now we're in the main branch, I think. So now I'm gonna write git diff new. You'll see the differences between this main branch and the new branch. So yeah, those are the differences. So let me get out here. So now we can merge them together, writing git merge it with new. Right now it's gonna show all this stuff. So if you merge, there are going to be some errors, So let's resolve them in the merge editor. So it's your responsibility to resolve all these errors. This is the incoming. This is the origin one. This is the new branch. This is the current branch. This is the results. So look at this change. So let's accept current. Let's also accept incoming. So accept combination. Oh, I know we've done all that stuff. We press complete to merge. So now, before it gets commits. And gets push. Alright, so yeah, so now we've done what's called a merge. So yeah, pull requests, they're basically just requests to merge. Alright, so check out main. It's now in the main branch. I'm gonna get push. Right, anyways. So now we're on the main branch. So let me just delete that other branch. Git branch the new. So now that the new branch is gone. Oh yeah, I also like git push. Or if you want, you could just delete some from the GitHub GUI. Yeah, anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed the next, subscribe. So bye.